The Mack pickup truck has a rich and fascinating history that spans over a century. The company's roots date back to 1900 when John M. Mack and his brothers founded the Mack Brothers Company in Brooklyn, New York. Initially, the company focused on building buses and trucks, but it wasn't until the 1910s that Mack began to develop its first pickup trucks. During World War I, Mack shifted its production to support the war effort, building military trucks and ambulances. After the war, the company returned to building commercial vehicles, including pickup trucks. In the 1920s, Mack introduced its first line of pickup trucks, which quickly gained popularity among farmers, construction workers, and other professionals who needed a rugged and reliable vehicle. In the 1930s, Mack continued to innovate and expand its product line. The company introduced its first diesel-powered pickup truck, which offered improved fuel efficiency and performance. Mack also began to develop its first line of cab-over-engine (COE) trucks, which featured a distinctive design with the cab situated over the engine. During World War II, Mack once again shifted its production to support the war effort. The company built thousands of military trucks, including the famous Mack No, which was used by the U.S. Army to transport troops and supplies. After the war, Mack returned to building commercial vehicles, including pickup trucks. In the 1950s and 1960s, Mack continued to innovate and expand its product line. The company introduced its first line of tandem-axle pickup trucks, which offered improved hauling capacity and stability. Mack also began to develop its first line of highway trucks, which featured advanced aerodynamics and improved fuel efficiency. In the 1970s and 1980s, Mack faced increased competition from other truck manufacturers, including Peterbilt and Kenworth. However, the company continued to innovate and expand its product line, introducing new models and features that helped it stay competitive. In the 1990s and 2000s, Mack underwent significant changes, including a merger with Renault and the introduction of new models and technologies. Today, Mack is a leading manufacturer of heavy-duty trucks, including pickup trucks, and is known for its commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Throughout its history, the Mack pickup truck has been known for its ruggedness, reliability, and performance. From its early days as a small manufacturer in Brooklyn to its current status as a leading global truck manufacturer, Mack has remained committed to building high-quality vehicles that meet the needs of its customers.